Finishing up my Marcelino latches, stitching them to the front plate. It's a bit tough at times. This is thick leather that I'm pushing through, even though the holes are punched. Still, I'm pushing this small little needle with these fingers. It does get tiresome on the fingers. And I'm pushing multiple pieces of leather with these. So. And the holes are pre-punched, but still. You know, when you're dealing with multiple pieces of leather, especially with the lining, then you got the thick outer part, then you got these keeps, it gets hard. That's why you see me struggling a bit with something like this. Alright, so this front panel is finished. Edge, the front edge, when you open it up, is wrapped. You got your Marcelino latches. Here's your back plate, which is pretty much just gonna go like this. Here's the front. We're gonna bend this over. We're gonna put the gussets in. This is a 6-inch briefcase, so it's pretty. It's a pretty good width to it. It's a bigger width than normal. So that's what it's going to look like. Back is going to be covered. The newspaper pocket, look at that. Oh, it's cool. I love these colors. The brown, the golden stitch. Beautiful, beautiful. Love this stuff. Love working with this. Cool, right? Cool. And the inside, look at that inside. London tan, beautiful. But you see briefcases like this, beautiful. All right, so next stuff I work on, I finished the middle divider with some pockets, lined pockets. It's inside, like this. Come out good. Got a few more things I got to work on. Trim the edges on the stitching, and we're good. Almost there.